Hello students, welcome to SJECE classes. Today we will start with your new subject, that is Geography. This video will help you to understand the first chapter of your book, the representation of geographical features. Before starting the chapter, let me first tell you what is geography. So, what do you know about geography? No one? Okay, let me tell you. Geography is all about the world in which we live. It is a field of science devoted to the study of the lands, features, inhabitant, and phenomena of the earth and planets. Geographers explore both the physical properties of Earth's surface and the human societies spread across it. The word geography originates from two Greek words. The first is geo, which means the earth, and the second word is graph, which means to write. Globes, sketches, maps, and pictures can be used to represent the features of the earth. Now, I will tell you what is a globe. Globe is a true model of the earth. It shows the earth in a small form. It is usually fixed to stand so that it can be rotated on its axis. It shows a three-dimensional picture of the earth. Now, what is a sketch? It is also used to show geographical features. It is a rough drawing of an area. It is not drawn to scale. We usually use a sketch to show people how to go from one place to another, or to give them a rough idea of any place. Now, what is a plan? Plan is a drawing that shows the horizontal section of a small area. It is always drawn to scale. Architectures uses plan to make detailed plans of buildings. Now the most important part is map, which you are going to study in geography. What is map? Let me tell you. A map is a flat, diagrammatic presentation of an area of the Earth's surface. It gives information about the Earth's surface in a simple manner. Comparison to globe, map are more easy to carry as it can be rolled, folded, or stored easily. Do you know a different collection of maps bound together in the form of book is called an atlas, and the science of map making is known as cartography. You must have seen many types of maps. Maps can be classified as wall map, political map, physical map, thematic map, topographical map, and navigational map. World map. These maps are meant to represent large area that could be viewed at a glance. They represent natural and man-made features. It can be displayed in your classrooms or in museums. Political map. It contains information about the boundaries of countries, states, capital cities, and districts. Physical map shows the detailed picture of various landforms like mountains, plains, rivers, valleys, plateaus, etc. Thematic map contains information about specific features like climate of a particular area and the distribution of minerals, crops, soils, or Population. Topographical map. It is a representation of natural and man-made features like local buildings, water bodies, roads, railway tracks, etc. It is also known as contour map. Navigational map is used by sailors and pilots. When we draw a map, we need some element or compound for it to read and understand it better, like title, direction, scale, and conventional sign and symbols. Title is the subject of the map which tells what the map is all about. Direction. Basically, you have heard about four direction, that are north, south, east and west. These directions are called cardinal directions. To make it more specific, we use intermediate directions too, that are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. With the help of these directions, we can find our destination on the map. Another important element of a map is scale. Maps are made to scale. This shows the distance between two places on a map, which is proportion to the distance of the same places on the ground. On the basis of scales, maps are of two types: large scale map and small scale maps. Example of large scale maps are road maps, topographical maps, etc. An example of small scale maps are atlas or wall maps. Scales are also of three types which are used on the map to measure distance. First is verbal scale, second is representative fraction method and linear scale method. All these scales are used to measure distance. Verbal or statement method. It is an easy method to measure the distances on the map. In this method, the scale is stated in words. For example, 1 centimeter is to 2 kilometers. It means that 1 centimeter map distance is equal to 2 kilometers ground distance. This method is not very popular as it does not give the accurate measurement. Next is fractional method or representative fraction method. In this method, the ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is given as a fraction, where numerator is always 1 and the units are the same. It is more accurate as compared to verbal scale. It can be converted into any unit of measurement and it is universally accepted. Next, linear scale method. A linear scale is a graphical representation of a scale on the map. In this method, the map distance is shown through a straight line. It is usually drawn near the lower portion of the map. It is the most accurate method of measuring distances on the map. The last element used on map is conventional signs and symbols. They are generally used to make the important features of a map. They denote both natural and man-made features like mountains, plains, temples, buildings, etc. Here are some conventional sign and symbols. If you like my video, push the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.